Chauvel.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. Mr Speaker, my question is to the Attorney-General and asks, does the government support changes to the video camera surveillance temporary measures bill recommended by the Justice and Electoral Committee?
The Honourable Chris Finlayson.
Yes, and I hope the House does too.
Charles Chauvel.
Supplementary question, Mr Speaker. Does he intend to seek or make any further amendments to the temporary measures bill when it returns to the House for debate?
The Honourable Chris Finlayson.
No.
Charles Chauvel.
Supplementary question, Mr Speaker. Why did it take him 17 days after the Supreme Court decision in Hamed to advise other political parties of his intention to introduce urgent legislation? And can he assure the House that he will approach his job in a less leisurely fashion from now on?
The Honourable Chris Finlayson.
I've been told to be nice. When the judgment was released, some time was required so that certain aspects of it could be redacted, and then I immediately got on to the task in my usual sedulous manner.
Charles Chauvel.
Thank you, sir. Does he now regret the fact that he and his colleagues failed to take up Labour's offer made a year ago to progress the search and surveillance bill? And will he give the House an assurance that he will be from now on an advocate for expediting the provisions of that bill?
The Honourable Chris Finlayson.
As to the first part, no. As to the second part, as I've said, the government accepts the recommendations of the Select Committee that after the new Parliament is formed, everyone will have to get their skates on to deal with the issue of the search and surveillance bill.
Is it a point of order, the member?
No, I'm calling for a supplementary, Mr Speaker.
Rahui Kate.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. To the Attorney-General, does he agree with lawyer John Lisco QC's assessment, as told to the Select Committee, that, quote, the Crown want to win when they lost, unquote, and what are the implications to our legal system when the Crown makes the non-criminal criminal through retrospective legislation?
Honourable Chris Finlayson.
Well, no, I don't, because I think everyone in this House agrees that those who actually succeeded in the appeal should have the fruits of their victory. So, quite frankly, I don't know what that gentleman's talking about.
Question number 12, Tim McIndoe.